Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you Game Changer how to delete a team. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Currently, Game Changer does not offer a feature to permanently delete a team. This design choice ensures that all team content remains accessible for family, fans and athletic profiles. So there are alternative solutions. What you can do is head over and open up your Gamechanger app and then be sure to be logged into your account. Now once you're logged into your account, select the team that you want to delete, and then once you're inside there, on the top right corner of the screen you'll be seeing your gear icon. Simply tap on that. Now inside team settings, you won't find the option to delete a team, but what you'll find is the option to leave the team. If you want to delete or leave the team, all you gotta do is just tap on leave team, then you'll be prompted with a small message. If you are confirmed to leave the team, simply tap on leave anyway and you will be able to successfully leave that team. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.